by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Likewise, a status report has been submitted on behalf of the police of the state of the investigation.
Kolkata Police. Kolkata Police.
By the
Kolkata Police.
By the Kolkata Police. On behalf of the Kolkata Police. Full stop. As already noted earlier, the investigation into the circumstances relating to the death of the postgraduate student at R.G. Kaur Medical College and Hospital is being conducted by the CBI. Full stop. The Kolkata Police is looking into the investigation following the vandalization of the hospital after the protests of the after the protests at the site.
No, it was vandalism, not protest.
After the protests at the site.
Yes, yes. Vandalism after the protest. Yes, yes.
Full stop. Next. From the material which has been produced before the court, it appears that a request for conducting the polygraph test has been submitted. Test of the accused has been submitted to the ACJM Sialda, which is stated to be under process. Full stop. The ACJM Sialda shall pass orders on the application no later than by 5 p.m. on 23 August 2024. Full stop. During the course of the hearing, a number of counsel have appeared on behalf of diverse stakeholders, including the associations representing the resident doctors. Full stop.
And other doctors, ma'am.
Resident doctors and other doctors. Full stop. Among others. Full stop. The council who have intervened in these proceedings, together with the parties for whom they have intervened, are set out below. ये पूरा statement ले लीजिए. In the previous order of this court, while constituting a national task force, this court had specifically clarified that the NTF should engage with diverse stakeholders. Full stop. Consequently, we hope and trust that the NTF shall hear the representatives of diverse stakeholders, so as to enable it to have inputs from all those who are likely to be affected by the process which has been initiated by this court, and who have a vital stake in maintaining safety and well-being of the doctors and other medical professionals in their workplaces.
1 second, go ahead. Say something.
In their workplaces.
I give it to you.
We have not said no. We have said all stakeholders. During the course of the hearing, learned counsel have placed some additional suggestions which may be taken into account by the committee, including (1) the installation of distress call systems, the institutionalization of distress call systems, (2) regulation of duty hours, and 3, the lodgement of the constitution of a compensation distress fund. Next, the above suggestions would, it is needless to note, be considered by the National Task Force, whose remit has been couched in broad terms by this court. It is undoubted that the views of diverse stakeholders would be taken into account by the task force before its final recommendations are made. To facilitate the filing of suggestions before the National Task Force, we direct the Secretary in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of the Union Government to open a specific portal on the website of the Ministry, on which associations, or as the case may be, different stakeholders can submit their suggestions for consideration before the committee. Full stop. Mr. Kapil Sibal, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of the State of West Bengal, the Kolkata Police, submits that this court may clarify, submits that while this court has permitted peaceful protests, the order should not be misconstrued to mean that the authorities are precluded from exercising their regulatory powers in accordance with law. This court has not injuncted the state from exercising such lawful authority, powers as are entrusted in terms of the law. However, we categorically reaffirm that peaceful protests shall not be disturbed, nor shall peaceful protest shall not be disturbed or disrupted, and the state shall not take any action against those who are protesting against who are peacefully protesting.
That's correct.
Against the incident which took place at Rajikot Medical College.
Yes, my lord.
In view of the fact that this court has taken measures to ensure the institutionalization of the concerns of the medical professions in terms of the previous order dated so and so, it is only to be expected that the doctors would now return to work. Full stop. Pending the submission of the report to the National Tax Force, all state governments and union territories shall ensure that wherever the need arises in terms of the exigencies of work, the state shall be alert to any apprehended violations of a breach of apprehension violations or breach of safety in medical establishments within that.
My lords, doctors are with the court on that. My lords, backlash we can be protected against.
Timeline of events as they happen.
Lord, can the timeline at least be shared with us?
We'll give you
Give a copy to the.
Yes.
This can never be secret.
What? Nothing.
Of
course not. Nothing.
Also give the your status report.
Yeah.
So that can be shared with the CBS.
Of course, it can be.
Investigation is pending, Malad. How can the status report be shared? That cannot.
But one aspect may be considered.
Yes, his status report is not shared.
The CISF has been deployed at.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
एक और वो भी लिख लीजिए. The Solicitor General states that in compliance with the orders of this court, the CISF has been deployed at Rajikot Medical College and Hospital so as to ensure the safety of
Just one small submission.
all other medical professionals.
My lords had said in the morning an additional line, my lords, with regard to protecting our doctors from backlash. They will, of course, rejoin. But my lords, and they have never suspended emergency services. But my lords, there is a concern, already a backlash.
Yes, Nandi. There's no question of only doing emergency services. In a place like, say, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, people take appointments 2 years in advance. If doctors are not available on duty for a day, that means that person loses a slot which was booked 2 years in advance.
Absolutely, my lords. And during lunch, we spoke to our doctors, and this is what has been said, and this is what has absolutely been agreed to. My lords, just the backlash, though, there is the health department and the medical council, we are being told that the action is being taken against our doctors. These are the control of the West Bengal government who are protesting, the protesting doctors. In addition, private and public harassment is happening from the police.
मैं
Yes,
कोलकाता रेप और हत्याकांड की ही बात कर रहा
Come back to us and tell
हूँ।
us.
जितने जघन्य
Lordship,
तरीके
may I
से
just
उस
point out-
बच्ची के साथ दुर्व्यवहार किया गया है, संभवतः कोई जानवर भी ऐसा दुर्व्यवहार अपने शिकार के साथ भी नहीं करता होगा। माय
Come
गुडनेस,
back, my lords.
ये वीडियो नियमानुसार एक्सपोज नहीं होनी चाहिए, इसलिए मैं इसको ब्लर कर रहा हूँ। मतलब इस वीडियो को देख के इस
Kashyap,
बच्चे
there
की
is a
अंतिम समय की
this in
वीडियो
the
है
order.
An apprehension
जिस
has
पे
been
ढेर सारी
expressed on
आपत्तियां भी
behalf
हैं
of
कि ये वीडियो
of
पब्लिक में नहीं आनी
of
चाहिए।
the doctors.
इस तरह का सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कानून बनाया है कि बलात्कार की विक्टिम जो बच्चियां हैं उनके उनकी पहचान को सार्वजनिक न किया जाए। ये उनकी बदनामी के हित से जोड़ के या जो भी हो, ये इसलिए मैं भी इसको ब्लर कर दे रहा हूँ। इस वीडियो को देख के उसके गले पे जो निशान है, माय गॉडनेस, उसको देख के ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि इस मीडिया ने किस ढंग से लड़ा है। मतलब ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि उसने अंतिम प्रयास किया है अपने आप को उस जानवर से बचाने का, जानवर या फिर जानवरों कहूँ। मैं तो कहूँगा कि ये जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट सरकार कह रही है, उनके एडवोकेट सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कह रहे हैं, एक महान वकील हमारे यहाँ कपिल सिब्बल साहब है, जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है कि करोड़ों रुपए उनकी एक हियरिंग की फीस है। तो